Many people are earning thousands of dollars a month selling Canva templates online. In this video, I will show you how you can easily design your own Canva templates from scratch, even if you have no experience. There are so many types of templates you can create, like social media graphics, ebook layouts, resumes, thank you cards, business cards, and so much more. For this demonstration, I will create an invoice template because the competition is relatively low based on my research, and I always like to tackle products that are less saturated in order to gain traffic and sell faster. You can create a Canva account with your email. You will need a pro plan to share template links, so if you don't already have one, you can sign up for 30-day free trial to test it out. First thing I'm going to do, go to custom size, and I'm going to change the units to inches, and I'll make this an 8.5 by 11 inch artboard. Create new design. I personally like to work with margins, so I'm going to go to file, go to settings, and then show margins. By now I have already looked at other invoices as inspiration for how I would like to organize mine, so I will start with adding text over here. Let's add in heading and call it invoice, and I'm going to move it up to the top left here. I can change the font and the size up here, so I'm going to go to font, and I'm going to use this real nice script font here. So let's make this larger, and now I wanted to add in a frame over here where the customer can drag in their logo. So let's go to elements and scroll down under frames, and I'm going to add in a circular frame. I'll actually create an image that says your logo here in a separate artboard, so you will see that later on. Okay, so let's add in some more text. Let's go heading, and we will add a section for issued, and then I'm going to type command D for duplicates, and we'll put a section for do. Okay, let's highlight that and just change the font. Now ideally the customer can edit the actual dates, but it would be nice for everything else to be locked in so that things don't get messed around when they are customizing it. So I'm actually going to lock invoice, and then I'm going to lock in issued and do, just so that it's easier to customize in my opinion. I'm just going to add in a box here for them to put in the client's information. So I'm going to go to elements, and you can go under shapes and then select the square here, or you can just type R on your keyboard, and it's finally customizable up to the top toolbar here. So under color, let's put no color, and then stroke style. Let's just change the stroke weight here. Alright, I'm going to go in add and in some more text before moving on to the next element. Okay, that's looking good so far. I'm going to add in a table where they can put in the description, quantity, unit cost, and amount. So under elements, let's scroll down to the tables, and let's add in the table here. So select the cell and then hit command on your keyboard, and then you can select the rest. Let's change this color, and then I'm going to add a column. So right click, add column, and then I'm just going to add in a few more rows. So you can either click here or right click on the table and then add a row, and then let's go up to table spacing and reduce that all the way down so I can change the size of this table. And then I'm going to change the border weight, so let's go to border style, and then we can just reduce that slightly. Okay, so I'm going to add in some headings here. So I just went in, add more text and elements at the bottom here. This is a line that you will find it under elements, just right over here under shapes, or you can just type L on your keyboard to bring that up. As I mentioned, I was going to create a separate image for the logo. So this is another artboard in Canva. It's just a square artboard, and I added in a rounded element, and then I just put your logo here. So I wanted to share downloaded this as a JPG file, so that I could bring it back into the other artboard. So go to uploads right here, and this is where you can drag in your own image. So that's it right there. This is my JPG file, and I could just drag into the frame just like that. Now my invoice template is all done. In order for me to share it, I would go to share at the top here, go to see all, and then go to template link, and then you would create the template link right here. So now I'm just going to copy this link, and in order to share this link with your customers, you will need to embed into in a PDF file that they are going to receive after they purchase. That's how they will actually able to access your template. So I created this separate artboard in Canva that says thank you for your purchase, and where it says click here, I'm going to hyperlink my template link and then save it as a PDF file. So let's just click on that and then go to the link, and then this is where I'm going to paste that template link, and then let's hit done. Then we are going to share download, and then we are going to select PDF standard, and then we are going to download it. This is the actual PDF document that the customers are going to receive. Although you can upload your PDF document onto Etsy. I hope this tutorial will help you. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.